In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Jumia app notifications. As you can see, I have a lot of notifications that I'm getting from Jumia. If this is annoying to you, then let me show you how you can put this to an end. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to permanently stop or disable Jumia app notification, go to the app and then just long press on Jumia app and look for app info option here. If you can see this app info option, you should see a settings gear or the name of the app. Go ahead and tap on it to access Jumia app info page. Now from this, scroll down to permission section, and here you should see we have notifications here. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. If you tap on notifications, you can see all these types of notifications such as floating notification, lock screen, play sound, vibration, permanent notifications, as well as notification badges are on. To disable all of them, go ahead and toggle off show notification button here, and all the other notifications will be turned off. Now, as you can see, by doing so, the notifications are no longer appearing on my app. And if I go ahead and look my app, now I no longer have those notifications. So that's how you can permanently disable Jumia app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.